Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. So, today let me start GK Unit 1 Life Values, Health and Food. Chapter number 1 Gesture Communication. So, let me start. Gestures are movements of the hands, face, or other parts of the body used to communicate some specific messages. Recognize the following gestures and match them with the help box given below. So let we start. Number 1. This gesture demonstrates that the hand holds no weapon and is a symbol of good sporting spirit, equality and trust. So it is shaking hands. Shaking hands. This gesture indicates success. It also indicates something is good and acceptable. It is thumbs up. Number 3, this gesture indicates failure. It also indicates something is bad or not acceptable. ये है thumbs down. Okay. Now number 4, this gesture is used to display respect. Salute. This gesture indicates victory. It is victory. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 2. Use water wisely. So this chapter only for reading. Water conservation needs to be a way of life, not just something we think about once in a while. If we all do our part in conserving water, we can make a huge difference from the environment. Water conservation means using our water wisely and caring for it properly. Since each of us depends on water for life, it is our responsibility to learn more about water conservation and how we can help in keeping our water pure and safe for generations to come. Since we all enjoy the benefits of having pure, clean water, we must help in conservation of water so that we may continue to enjoy these benefits. We must save water today so that it will be available to us in the future. We need to think of future generations, people who will not have a sufficient supply of water unless we become more concerned with how we use our water today. So there are many things that we can do to help in preservation of water. Ways to conserve water. First of all, kitchen tips. Wash your fruits and vegetables in a pan of water instead of running water from the tap. If you accidentally drop ice cubes, don't throw, but drop them in a house plant instead. Collect the water you use while rinsing fruit and vegetables. Use it to water the house plants. Bathroom tips. Turn off the water while you brush your teeth or apply soap on the body. When washing your hands, turn the water off while you let up. While you wait for hot water, collect the running water and use it to water plants. Next, school tips. Ask your classmates for suggestions on saving water and appreciate for the best ideas. है ना? तो ये आपको स्कूल में करने हैं. Use the flashed out RO water to wash cars and bikes. Wash fruits or vegetables in a bowl of water. Okay. Use water from melted ice cubes of ice drinks to water plants. Create a suggestion and initiative drop box in the class to recognize water saving ideas. Invite NGOs and nature societies in your school to promote water saving campaign. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is very useful for us. So this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 3. Importance of yoga. Health is related to of our physical and mental fitness. Regular exercise and good nutrition are necessary to stay healthy. Practicing yoga is a good way to lead a balanced and healthy life. Write the names of the following yoga asanas. First one is calms the brain, reduces stiffness in the shoulder, region and tones the legs. So number 1, this is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Number 2, this asana tones abdominal muscles, legs and hips, strengthens back muscles and relieves back cap. ये है वीरभद्रासना, जिसको हम धनुरासना भी कहते हैं. Number 3, this yoga pose helps in reducing the belly fat and improves the function of liver and big intestine. So ये है हमारा सालंबा शीर्ष, ये है धनुरासना. This asana is an inverted yoga pose that stretches the back of the neck while strengthening the spine and core muscles. This pose stretches the neck and shoulders while toning the legs, back and abdominal muscles. ये है शीर्षासना. Number 5. It is a very good exercise for our hands, back, spine and whole body. It increases height too. Number 5 is Baddha Konasana. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 4. Why avoid junk food? What is a junk food? Junk food is a pre-prepared processed food which is loaded with calories but without any nutritional value. It contains high amount of fat, especially trans fats, sugar, high fructose, corn syrup, salt, maida, bleached flour and lots of preservatives. It generally lacks or contains very little amount of proteins, fibers, vitamins or minerals. Example of junk food items. So let's start the sugar soft drink example, aerated drinks, artificial fruit juices, milkshakes, burger, pizza, pasta, French fries, potato chips, biscuits, cookies, and ice cream, desserts, noodles, donuts, बटाटा वड़ा, समोसा, कचौरी, पकौड़ा. ये सब क्या है? ये फास्ट फूड हैं जो हमारी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छे नहीं होते. ठीक है, तो दिस चैप्टर ओनली फॉर रीडिंग हियर. So everyone, this chapter is very beneficial for us. The chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 5. Picnic preparation. ये आपका खुद है. देखिए, जब आप पिकनिक पे जाते हैं, school picnic is a short trip that gives pleasure to students. They get knowledge about new places and other things. Put a tick right mark against the right things to do on a picnic trip and cross wrong against the wrong ones. Check your list before packing the bag. Yes, of course. Take proper clothes according to the weather of the picnic place. Yes. Plan games like frisbee, badminton, etc. Yes. Go far from your teachers to play. No. Throw wrappers, tissues on the picnic spot. No. Take water bottle, chips and packed food, etc. Yes. Keep your head and arms outside the bus. No. And keep contact number of your parents with you. Yes. Okay. So these are the picnic preparation. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 6. Habits of healthy kids. This chapter also only for reading. Spend at least 1 hour a day being physically active. Spend less than 2 hours a day watching TV and playing video and computer games. Eat at least a total of 5 fruits and vegetables every day. And snack on healthy foods and less junk food and sweets. Drink at least 2 glasses or bottles of water a day instead of soda, and eat less fast food and make healthier fast food choices. Eat smaller amounts, bigger is not better. तो ये है healthy habits. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 7. Deficiency of vitamins. मतलब किस विटामिन की कमी से कौन सी बीमारी हो जाती है, आइए देखते हैं. कंप्लीट द टेबल गिवन बिलो. विटामिन क्या डिसीज है और क्या उसके सोर्सेज हैं. लेट वी स्टार्ट. विटामिन ए, इसमें होता है नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. ठीक है, ये स्पेस कम है तो मैं छोटा लिख देती हूँ. ओके, नाउ इसके सोर्सेस क्या हैं? कैरेट्स और ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स. कैरेट और ग्रीन वेजिटेबल. नंबर 2, विटामिन बी. विटामिन बी क्या डिसीज होती है इससे? बेरी. और क्या यूज होते हैं इसमें? क्रियल्स. विटामिन B2 से कौन सी कमी होती है? रिबोफ्लेविन. और इसमें खाए जाते हैं एग्स, है ना, और पल्स आदि. विटामिन B6 में कौन सी डिसीज हो सकती है हमें? ये होती है बेरी. ऑप्शन डी, एनीमिया. इसमें हमें खानी चाहिए वेजिटेबल्स. विटामिन B7 E, हेयर लॉस. इसमें हमें खानी चाहिए चीज, मीट एंड एग ऑल्सो. विटामिन B12 एनीमिया. ठीक है, और इसके सोर्सेस हैं मीट, एग्स. विटामिन C, स्कर्वी, स्पिनच. विटामिन D, H में आएगा हमारा रिकेट्स. इसमें हम यूज कर सकते हैं सोया मिल्क. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, नेम द डिसीजेस इन बिलो गिवन पिक्चर. ओके, ए, ये कौन सी बीमारी है? रिकेट्स. डायरिया, है ना, एंड सी, पेलाग्रा, स्कर्वी, ई, बेरी, एनीमिया, एनीमिया। ये है गोत्र। Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 8. Amazing facts about fruits. So this chapter only for reading. Fruits are a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables as part of an overall healthy diet reduces the risk for stroke and other chronic diseases. And fruits have amazing facts. Some of them are given below. Apples, according to the OU, Agricultural Research and Development Center, eating an apple is equivalent to drinking a cup of coffee. Although apples do not have caffeine, the processing of apple carbohydrates gives the body a boost more powerful than caffeine. Apples also deliver high levels of vitamin A, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps in the prevention of disease and may help reduce wrinkles associated with aging. Potatoes. Many people tend to peel the skins of their potatoes. However, most of the potatoes' vital nutrients and minerals are located in the peel. Instead of shedding those potato layers, try cutting whole sweet potatoes into cubes and sprinkling them with rosemary. Sweet potatoes are high in antioxidants and safeguard your body from free radical damage. Green bell peppers. If you had your share of citrus fruits and are in search of other items rich in vitamin C, green bell peppers contain twice the amount of vitamin C as an orange. Vitamin C is essential in healing wounds and is a powerful antioxidant according to the National Institute of Health. Regularly supplementing your diet with green bell peppers helps maintain your health and prevent cellular damage. Banana. According to the National Institutes of Health, bananas are high in the potassium and an excellent source of fiber. Bananas are generally used for gastrointestinal problems such as diarrhea or upset stomach. What is interesting, however, is that some people consider the banana the world's largest herb, although some insist it is both a fruit and an herb. It is related to the orchid family, and the banana itself is considered the berry of the plant. So these are the fruits. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. Vegetables. Vegetables are a good source of vitamins and minerals. Some of them are given below. Identify them with the help of help box. Number 1. It is called the king of vegetables and eaten cooked, roasted or fried. Brinjal. It is a fungus which has a round flat head and short stem. Some types of this fungus can be eaten. ये है mushroom. It is a small, crisp, white root vegetable with a strong taste, eaten raw in salads. ये है radish. It is a round vegetable with many layers inside each other. Onion. Long dark green leaves that are eaten, cooked and rich source of iron. So it is spinach. It is a round vegetable with layers of large green leaves that can be eaten raw or cooked. Number 6, yeah, cabbage. It is a long, round or oval-shaped vegetable with shiny, dark purple color. Brinjal. It is a long, pointed orange color root vegetable that is rich in vitamin A. Carrot. Okay, so everyone, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.